VXRT, stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all this in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Looking at Vaxart, this stock is sitting at approximately around 50 cents, which I see like 30% down is a big of a stretch. Previously, that's exactly what I was expecting. I have done 36,000 videos. I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, and I document all of this on this YouTube channel. Now, specifically looking at VXRT, like I talked about this, but look, like I would love to check my confirmation and be met in order to take things down. And let me show you the before. So yeah, let me show you the proof. Like this video was made a month ago, 3rd of January, and I'm gonna interfere, honestly, definitely keep you updated. And guess what happened, man? It just kept melting down. So what can I say other than it's still a bearish market for sure? Like we just grabbed a lot of liquidity beneath, and I just kind of like let it run, man, because like what can I say other than, you know, I'm just expecting new lower lows to be made. Nothing. I just have more data to like, I just need more candles to appear, therefore more time needs to pass. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and easy way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter.